These are difficult times. There is definitely scope for hope, but I think that there are some really grave concerns that are facing us, some real challenges. We know that, especially during this time, really since, I would say, the January election of this new administration, we've had an uptick in fraud, an uptick in people being victimized by hate crimes. On top of that, I think, police brutality is on the rise. I think there are a lot of concerns that the community has in this moment. Not to say, these are insurmountable. They're not. But there are some really pressing challenges that are facing us right now. We spoke a bit about the repeal or the possible repeal of the Affordable Health Care Act, which will affect millions of people, not just in this city, as you know, but across the nation. And they're real challenges. I think there's no way we can, move away from that. But I think that the city is doing some things that are encouraging. We know that there are advocates on the ground that are working hard day and night to make sure that, we hold the city accountable for really ensuring that New York City in particular is inclusive. We've seen some policies out of this administration, this particular administration at the city level, that do not support inclusivity. And we need to make sure that we're calling folks out about that and making sure that New York City remains a beacon, not just for, people that are citizens, but for all. Yeah, I want to thank the Metropolitan Black Bar Association. This is not the first of these forums I've attended, organized by them. They had one last year that was very well attended, touched on immigration, touched on, if I remember, interactions with police and law enforcement. And I think that these kinds of engagements are so crucial because not only are you bringing information to the community, but you're providing an opportunity for the community to share their concerns. I like the fact that a lot of these discussions are very much community-oriented, as in it's the voice of the people who are attending that's lifted. And I think that that's crucial in this time because people need a platform to share their concerns, to voice their concerns, and to really connect with groups that are doing work on their behalf and with electeds that are supposed to be representing them. So I think that these are indispensable resources, and I hope that they continue to do this work in the community.